Welcome to my video. In this video we will unbox this Tero Q215. It's a plug and play brace quad. Okay, let's see. This propeller looks like 5045. Okay, there's 2-pack, evenly 2-pack. We have this FPV pagoda antenna. Brushless motor. Size 2206 2006 kV. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 for motor. And what we have here? We have looks like Boxer FPV cam, just a normal FPV cam. 2.1 lens, 2.1. Okay, FPV cam. We have this 4-in-1 PDP ESC board. This is the flight controller. It's a F4 Pro Plus version 2. Comes together with VTX. See that? Up to 800 milliwatt. This is the nuts and the standoff. Okay. Oh, comes with buzzer and LED strips. Some cable tie, battery. This is for the battery. Strap. There you are. This is the frame. Size 215mm. So that's it. Thank you for watching.